CompTIA Tech Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.1 Identify components of an operating system. File system characteristics. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at something that plays a critical role every time you save, open, move, or organize a file, and that's the file system. Let's begin with a basic definition. A file system is the method of organizing and storing data on a computer or storage device. It acts as the framework that determines how files are named, how they are stored, and how they're accessed by both users and the operating system. To help visualize this, think of a file system as a digital filing cabinet. Just like you might organize paper documents into folders inside a physical cabinet, a file system keeps your digital data organized in a way that makes sense to both you and the system. It keeps everything neat, searchable, and accessible, so you can find what you need quickly and keep your data from becoming a jumbled mess. But a file system isn't just about structure, it also comes with built-in features that enhance how your data is stored and protected. Let's take a look at a couple of the most common file system features you may encounter. The first feature is file compression. File compression reduces the size of a file by using specialized software algorithms. This helps you save storage space and allows files to be transferred more quickly over a network. It's especially helpful when you're trying to fit more data onto a device or need to send large files through email or cloud services. Next, we have file encryption. File encryption is a method of securing data by transforming it into a format that can't be read without a special decryption key. Think of it like locking your digital files in a safe. Even if someone were to steal the file, they wouldn't be able to open or understand its contents without the correct password or access key. This is a vital security feature for protecting sensitive data, especially in situations where a device might be lost or stolen, such as a smartphone or laptop. These are just two examples of how different file systems offer more than just storage. They provide important functionality that impacts everything from system performance to data security. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.